Hi students, good morning. In the previous class, we have discussed about compound angles like sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B, formulas with values sin 50, sin 75, cos 50 and cos 75. Today, let us see tan of A plus B formula. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay? Tan of A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. These are the two formulas for tan of A plus B and tan of A minus B. Similarly, cot of A plus B equal to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, and cot of A minus B equal to cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So, by using these four formulas today, let us see the values of tan 15, tan 75, cot 15, cot 75. Okay? Question is, find the values of tan 15, cot 15, tan 75 and cot 75. Okay? Let us see first tan 15. How do you find tan 15? Can I write this 15 degrees as 45 minus 30? Is it correct? Tan 45 minus 30, 15 only, no? So it looks like tan of A minus B formula. Instead of A take 45, instead of B take 30. So tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. We know the values of tan 45, 1, tan 30, 1 by root 3, 1 plus tan 45, 1 in tan 30, 1 by root 3. You can take LCM here by 1, consider by 1. Okay, root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Okay, root 3 gets cancelled in the LCM. So I will take now rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1? Yes, right. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1 is root 3 minus 1. Right? Okay. Now numerator you see once root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. That will be root 3 minus 1 whole square upon, in the denominator A plus B into A minus B. It looks like A square minus B square, since A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Right? A plus B into A minus B. Numerator you see now, it looks like A minus B whole square. So I can write A square plus B square minus 2AB by 3 minus 1. Since a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, I used a minus b whole square formula. Root 3 whole square means 3 plus 1. 2 root 3 as it is by 3 minus 1 value 2. 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Now in the numerator we can take 2 common. 2 of 2 minus root 3 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2 minus 2. So what is the value of tan 15 degrees value? 2 minus root. Or you can take tan 15 as sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees and simplify. You will get answer. So that is the value of tan 15. Clear? Similarly, we can find the tan 75. I can do here tan 75. Can I write plus? Just I change the symbols here. Plus, because tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So here you will get plus, here you will get minus. Right? I am changing just. Here you will get plus. Here you will get minus. Here what is the RF of root 3 minus 1? Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. Now numerator looks like a plus b whole square now. Okay, denominator step is as it is. But here we will use a plus b whole square. Here plus, here 2 as it is. Here plus, here plus, here plus. So what is the value of tan 75? What is the value of tan 75? 2 plus root 3. That means tan 15, 2 minus root 3, tan 75, 2 plus root 3. Now let us find cot 15. Okay? Same procedure, but we will use cot a plus b and cot a minus b. Cot a plus b and cot a minus b. So what is the cot 15 degrees? Can I write cot 15 as cot 45 minus 30? Can I write? Now it looks like cot a minus b. What did I say the formula for cot a minus b? Cot b, cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot b. Right? So I can write cot b. Cot b means what? 30 now. So cot b, cot a plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. Right? What is the value of cot 30? Root 3. Cot 45 1 plus 1 by cot 30 root 3 minus 1. So what did I get here? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Now RF again. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Since the RF of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. Okay? Now numerator looks like root 3 plus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Right? Now numerator looks like a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square by 3 minus 1. So what did I use? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square under since. Now root 3 whole square 3, 2 root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 2. Okay, 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 2. Take 2 common, 2 plus root 3 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled, 2 plus root 3. So what is the value of cot 15? Tan 75 and cot 50 same you see once. Right? This is the value for cot 50. Now similarly you can take cot 75 here. I will take plus. Here it is minus, here it is plus, here it is minus, here it is plus, here it is minus, here it is plus. So RF will be minus, minus, plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, here root 3 minus 1 whole square, here minus, here minus, here minus, here minus, minus, minus. This is cot 75. So I will check here root 3 minus 1 minus, minus, minus. Okay. So what is the value of cot 75? 2 minus root 3. Okay. Here I used a minus b whole square. Okay. From this I observed tan 15 degrees value and cot 75 degrees value same 2 minus root 3 and tan 75 degrees value and cot 15 degrees value same, no? What is that? 2 plus 2. So you can remember easily from here. Okay. Sin 15 cos 75, cos 15 sin 75, tan 15 cot 75, cot 15 tan 75. Values are equal. So from the table you can remember easily. Hope it is clear. Thank you.